Okay guys, welcome again to another session of Cooking with Min and Meg. Now that we've made up those two power pack pizzas, and boy, I enjoyed the vegan more than the cheese. I can tell you right now, I've never had the opportunity of eating up so much vegan food, and that pizza really had me sold. And I have just like a slice or so left, and we want to have that for dinner or something. But we need some malt to go with this. We want to have some malt. Now it's going to be the power malt, and it's going to be the war of the malts. What we're going to do to make this interesting, I don't know, it's going to be our first time making up this kind of battle of the malts. And what we're going to do, we're going to do one vegan to go with the pizza, and we're going to do one with coffee. Now, the coffee malt that we're going to be using the Starbucks box French roast. That's the one we're going to be using. So we're going to use this one, and we have gone ahead and made some. Okay, so that's what we're going to be using there for that malt. So we're going to make one with coffee, and then we're going to make another malt. So I'm going to move that over here because this is the battle of the malts. And that's going to be, so for the coffee malt, we're going to use some coffee mate to go with that. And we're going to use a little honey, and we're going to use a bit of banana for the so that's the malt with the coffee. We're going to see what we're going to come up with, okay? And for the malt for the vegan, for the vegan malt, we're going to use Swiss Miss milk chocolate, okay? For the malt for the vegan malt, we're going to use Swiss Miss chocolate and some chia seeds. We're going to use some nuts in this also. We're going to use some blueberries yogurt. We're going to use some cherry tomatoes, some broccoli, a little piece of avocado which we have here. Hopefully you guys can see that little piece of avocado there. Okay, so we're going to use this little piece of avocado here. We're going to use the cherry tomatoes. We're going to use the broccoli. We're going to use some more bananas for this power malt. Okay, so we're going to see how this comes out. Okay, so the avocado, the bananas, broccoli, tomatoes, blueberry yogurt, since we're using to balance, to compete with the chocolate mate and the coffee, and we're going to use some chia seed. So guys, let's go. Battle of the malts. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we want to know which of these are you going to choose. Which one is going to be the most tasty? Which is going to be for me, and which is going to be for Min. So we're going to let you guys vote to ascertain who is going to choose what. Okay, am I a coffee malt or Min a coffee malt? Who do you think? Is coffee a vegan? Actually, that's the other big question. So we have a lot of questions on the table. So let's begin, okay? We're going to see how this one plays out. Okay, so I'm going to start the coffee malt, okay, first, okay? So the banana, we're just going to break that and put a half in here. And we're going to pour in the coffee. Hopefully everybody can see because this camera is crazy. I'm not using the flip out, so it's a little bit different. Hopefully I'm in focus. I'm sorry guys. Everybody can see, okay? I'm just adjusting this camera so everybody can see. Alrighty. So yeah. Since we're going to be having a lot of liquid going on here, I'm just going to use a towelette to get this place clean. Can't afford to have spills. So this is a coffee that we have already brewed. So we're going to pour that in. With the banana. And we're going to put in the coffee mate. And this is a vanilla one. Just going to put a half a teaspoon. And we're just going to put just a little honey. Half teaspoon of honey. Okay. And we're going to go ahead now and just blend that coffee malt. Okay. So let's go. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and just blend the coffee malt. Oh my goodness. Now that it is blended, it looks more like a latte. It looks more like a doesn't look like a malt anymore. Looks like something else. I don't know. Well, we gotta taste this, okay? So I'm gonna pour this, okay? It looks like a punch now. Okay? And that's punch malt number 1. We're gonna wash this because since we're gonna be doing the vegan things, okay? Alright, so we were told that we're gonna be disqualified if we use the Swiss Miss milk chocolate because it has milk in it, so we can't use that. So instead we're gonna, for the vegan, here we go. So we're gonna be using the dark chocolate instead. So we have quite a number of dark chocolate here. I'm going to choose one of them to use. Okay. I think we're going to use this one here. 2 of them, okay? We're not going to use the milk, so these are dark chocolate. Just going to go ahead and drop these in. 1, 2. We're going to put the banana. We went ahead and pre-measured the chai, so we're going to pour that in. That's a chai seed. We're going to go ahead and put in the nut. And these are natural nuts, natural almonds. These are just plain yogurt. We're going to put in the avocado, the tomatoes, the broccoli. We're not going to use milk or anything. Just what we have here, and we want to see what this one looks like, okay? So, just going to use plain water. And since we did not use the Swiss chocolate, we're going to use a little honey. Okay, half a teaspoon. Okay, so this malt is set to go. So we're ready to blend this malt. This is so pretty. Look at that, guys. Which one do you think is better? Which one do you think is better? Which one do you think is mine? Will I prefer this over this? What do you think? So beautiful. They both look like something other than a malt. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. Wow. They're both beautiful. They are both very beautiful, guys. So which one do you think is mine and which one do you think is Mint's? Okay, we want you guys to take a vote on this. Okay, we're going to take a shot of this. Okay guys, so now that the malts are finished, we're ready to participate, and we're going to have that with our pizza. One will be having one malt with the vegan pizza, and one will be having the other malt with the cheese pizza. And if you guess that the coffee is mine, you guess right. The vegan is Mint's, the coffee is mine, and they're both power pack malts. So I'm going to go ahead and taste mine. That coffee is so strong. It has a creamy taste. I can taste the banana distinctly in it. Let me taste this one. Wow. This one tastes more fruity. You can taste the chai seed, you can taste the banana and the nuts, the avocado, the broccoli. You taste everything in that one. If you ask me, this one tastes more healthy. This one here tastes a lot more healthy than the other one. And this one is Mint's. Okay guys, so that's our 2 power malts. And we make them so accommodating. Okay guys, so that's our power malts. And you guessed right. They both taste very nice and very good. We want you guys to go out there and try these. You saw the ingredients. Both of them taste so good. Both of them taste so very good. So go out there and try these. We want you to come back here and let us know how they come out. Which one do you prefer? Okay, so until we see you again, take care. And thank you for stopping by. Remember, on your way out, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment. Until we see you again, enjoy. Ciao, la bella, ta-ta, bye-bye.